Hi, I'm Charlotte, an AI-powered demo presenter. Welcome to the world of Fogwing Asset Plus, a smart CMMS platform for industrial asset maintenance. During this session, I will guide you step by step through the process of adding vendors on the Fogwing Asset Plus CMMS platform. The vendor module in the Fogwing Asset Plus platform marks a significant stride towards outsourced maintenance, order management, and vendors' operational efficiency. It is a centralized hub for organizing vendor agreements, tracking budgets, monitoring SLA, and evaluating vendor team performance. So, let's get started. To begin, log into your Fogwing Asset account. Once logged in, click on the Settings menu item on the menu to navigate to the Settings page of your Fogwing Asset Plus account. Then, click on Organization Settings in the navigation bar and click on the Vendors section. This is where you can add and manage vendors for your outsourced maintenance activities. Click on the Add Vendor button to initialize the process of adding the vendors. You will be directed to the Add Vendor form. Fill out the relevant details like vendor name, vendor code, company name, company address, location, contact person name, contact person number, and contact person email address. Click on the Contact tab to fill out the vendor contact details. Mention the start date, end date of the contract period. Mention the contract value. Set vendor performance goal in percentage. And upload the contract file if required. Click on the Member tab. Select the maintenance engineers belongs to this vendor. Select the supervisor of this vendor team if needed. Review the information provided. And click on the Submit button to add a vendor in the Fogwing Asset Plus platform. Congratulations, you have now successfully added vendor to the Fogwing Asset Plus platform. Thank you for watching this Fogwing Asset Plus demo video on how to add vendors. We're excited to help you with your asset maintenance journey. You can stay connected to maximize your experience with our product. We hope you found this demo insightful. For even more efficient maintenance management, download and use our mobile app. We are now available on the App Store and Google Play Store. Give it a try. Your assets will thank you. Until next time, take care and happy maintenance.